A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cats, cats. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lemon, lemon. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for water, water. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Alright, now that you learned the sounds of the alphabet, I'll give you 1, 2, 3 stars. Yay! Well, I hope you have some fun learning the sounds of the alphabet. So don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you will be alerted if a new video is out. Alright, so that'll be for now, and continue learning with Jigger. Bye!
Learning is fun with Jigger.